I just want to quickly review this hair. This hair is from Dyhair777.com. I received their Indian deep curling virgin hair. The length I'm having now is 22 and the lace closure 60. The color of this hair is natural color. This hair is very soft and beautiful and no tangles. I got little bit of shedding on this hair, but it wasn't much. In this video I will also show you guys when I unbox the hair and when I could wash the hair, the shedding I got, and how I could wash the hair. Everything about this hair I will link in the description bar. If you want to know everything about this hair, please stay tuned and I will talk to you guys in my next video.